Hello students, good morning all of you. Today I Rabindra Mohan Mishra from Sri Jagdamba Sanskrit College Batho am taking the class of Shastri first. We have seen different things in preposition. We have seen usage of preposition for appropriate sentence or words. We have also seen what is its proper use. We have seen some practice sets of preposition also. Today we see another practice sets of preposition. These practice sets help you to go through the examination in very well manner. That is why we are discussing many practice sets for this. Today's one first is they soon got the fire control. Then it will be here under preposition takes place. Under preposition का प्रयोग करेंगे. They soon got the fire under control. आग जो है नियंत्रण में आ गया. Second one is he was ill Sunday to Friday. SUNDY Sunday to Friday. Here Sunday से Friday दूरी की बात कर रहा है from. Next one is he is not popular. He is a student. He is not popular. What will be with his student? With यहाँ preposition का प्रयोग करते हैं. You may write a pen. विथ का प्रयोग बाय और विथ किसी और के द्वारा भाया मीडिया से जब करते तो वहाँ बाय का प्रयोग करते और प्रत्यक्ष रूप से अगर ये इसको करते तो विथ का. तो यू मे राइट विथ ए पेन. नेक्स्ट वन इज द लेटर वाज रिटेन. द लेटर वाज written. Here will be ink. There will be used ink. The letter किस में लिखा गया? ink में लिखा गया. He differs you. Here preposition take with. He differs with you. ये आपसे अंतर करता है. Next one is I shall inform them. This. Here preposition take of. I shall inform them of this. मैं इनके बारे में उसको सूचना दूंगा. Next one is she is the apple. She is the apple my eye. Then there will be apple for my eye. Next question is everyone longs. EVERY. Everyone longs peace then there will be for everyone longs for peace. Next question is he was not worthy. He was not worthy. Here will be praise. P-R-A-I-S. Then their preposition take for. He was not worthy for praise. वह प्रशंसा के लिए प्रशंसित के लिए मूल्यवान नहीं है, प्रशंसित व्यक्ति नहीं है. The work was done. The work was done haste. Then the preposition take in. The work was done in haste. काम जो है जल्दी में किया गया. I took him a thief. Here will be for. I took him for a thief. मैं उसको चोर के पास ले गया. Next one is he is negligible. Negligent. He is negligent. His work. Then the preposition take in. He is negligent in work. वह काम में नकारात्मक है. Next one is we should not be negligent. Negligent. We should not negligent. We should not be negligent. Here will be of. We should not be negligent of duty. He was warned. The danger. D-A-N-G-E-R. He is warned of. He was warned of the danger. वह खतरा के लिए उसको सचेत किया गया. Now next one is the bank is closed. My school. The bank is close to. संबंध नज़दीकी को close to. close के साथ to का प्रयोग करते हैं. मेरा बैंक स्कूल के नज़दीक है. Next one is his income is not adequate. Q-U-A-T-E. His income is not adequate. His wants. Here will be preposition take. His income is not adequate to his wants. उसके इच्छा के से पर्याप्त नहीं है उनकी आय. Now next question is he is angry. My behavior. B-E-H-A-V-I-O-U-R. He is angry. Here preposition take at. He is angry at my behavior. Now next one is he is angry me. Here will be me with. He is angry with me. Now next question is send this letter my address. Here preposition take to. Send this letter to my address. मेरे एड्रेस पर इस लेटर को भेज दीजिए. The enemy had to go. The enemy had to give. Here will be preposition take in. The enemy had to give in. दुश्मन को अंदर. Now next one is he took revenge. REVENGE. He took revenge. Me. Then that preposition take on. He took revenge on me. Next one is he meditates. MEDITATES. He meditates his past life. His past life. He meditates on his past life. अपने प्राचीन जीवन पर वो ध्यान दे रहा है. Now next one is he has not met. He has not met me. FRIDY. Here will be since. He has not met me since Friday. वह फ्राइडे से हमसे नहीं मिला है.